Random history facts. Number 1. In 1518, in Strasbourg, a woman stepped into the street and started dancing. No music, no celebration. She didn't stop. Within days, dozens joined her, then hundreds. They danced for weeks. Some collapsed, some died. Officials even hired musicians, hoping they'd dance it out. Historians believe it was mass hysteria caused by famine, disease, and extreme stress. When reality becomes unbearable, the mind looks for escape. Number 2. In ancient Rome, dinner parties had entertainment, not music, executions. Gladiators fought between courses while guests kept eating. Prisoners were killed for applause. If the crowd was bored, someone paid the price. Violence wasn't shocking, it was normal. When cruelty becomes culture, empathy disappears quietly. Number 3. In 1952, London vanished under a thick fog. But it wasn't weather. It was coal pollution trapped in the air. The sky turned black. People couldn't see a few steps ahead. Hospitals filled with patients suffocating. Over 12,000 died. Not from war, not from disease, from breathing. Progress without limits always sends the bill later. Number 4. In 1932, Australia declared war on birds. 20,000 emus were destroying farmland. The army brought machine guns. They fired. The emus scattered, regrouped, kept coming. The soldiers ran out of ammunition. The birds didn't. The military withdrew. Officially, they were outsmarted by birds. Sometimes, history isn't tragic, it's absurd.